right, guys, so one of the things that I want to share with you is CB Desk. It's an awesome new tool. It's available to you now here on August 25th, and there's all kinds of information and apps in here. We can even put all of our forms in here to make it a little easier for you guys to find things. This is just a great new tool that you guys can utilize, and it pulls everything together on your desk. All these apps that you had on CB Exchange and many others will be here on CB Desk. Everything from your branded email, the tools that you're going to use the most you want to put here at the top, such as Zap and Social Ad Engine, and any other tools that you use regularly. So really dive into this this week when you have some time. Take a look at it. There's lots of search help and other tools, notifications that'll hop up. You can search by everything, specifically in apps, as well as the help center and in pages. So take a look when you have some time.